There's a slight drizzle out there at the moment.
Oh, there's Hokianga shifting the ball left to right.
And out on the wing here, I think we've got to try some physicality in the tackle. Oh, good little inside run there and offload by the number 13.
Oh, there's Tirori again. I've mentioned this guy's name a few times and a little bit of a commentator.
Short just of the line.
As you can see,
battle
the rain coming down.
for Kotahitanga.
Oh, just heading through.
Still repelling every single attack so far.
Good defense there shown by Kotahitanga on the line. And just as I mentioned the man's name.
And there we go.
Both teams even pretty much despite the score, the 8-0 scoreline.
I think errors have been the differentiating factor for these two teams. As we see, the winger, the Pariro, the show and go.
That's the number 2.
He just hit him with the dummy. I mean, Namu.
Storm just marching their way up the field. It's a bit of an onslaught at the moment. Oh, there's that man again, the number 16.
And that looks like that's going to be a try. Following this game, we're going to do the presentations. The medals for both teams. We're going to name the tournament team. This 4-pack from Hokianga Storm are really impressive. They're working in collaboration really well. The cohesion shows.
Ooh,
and the take there from the winger.
Shannon Pye.
He's come short there.
He's dangerous. He's already scored a try in the first half. Caesar John Bona Rafiti. Tirore.
Hokianga Storm.
Beats 1, 2, 3.
And that is 4, one strong carry there by the second rower.
6, 7.
How many
8,
people
9,
can you get
10,
by?
11.
Look at this
12,
man go.
13 people involved in their tackle, or 13 tackle attempts.
Fifth and final.
Big Tirore.
They go back to the. They're going back to the left side here, and
then going out to
the
number 2.
What
He
can he
scored
do?
before, and he's over.
And he gets the ball down. Kotahitanga committing numbers to the tackle, but the attacker still finds his front.
Tirore
and
again,
they swing down to Takatau again.
He's the number 18.
What are
he's
we
going down.
Going to end up with
and
a
he's
little
carrying on. And he's
inside.
away. He's gone.
He's got the hand in the air.
Lord. Try time under the post.
And that's a try.
That's what they're doing, keeping them locked into the red zone.
And katangi te pere. He tohu ko mutu tēnei kēmu, ko oti te mahi.
Okay.
Ka whaiangi tū wa Hokianga Storm over Kotahitanga. The New Zealand Māori under 15 Rangatahi tournament champions, Hokianga Storm.
MAORI Active.